Hello friends, here is part 2 of our little anatomy study, and this time we are focusing on the lower body. Let's begin with the hip and thigh. So, one hip is made of the coxal bone, and just like the scapula with the humerus, the coxal bone and the femur work like the joystick on a game controller. It is, however, a bit less flexible, but still allows us to rotate our leg in every direction. If we move down a little, the knee is the connection between the femur and another bone, the tibia, which also connects to the fibula on the side. The three bones have relatively the same size, and the tibia is the bone that hurts so much when you hit the coffee table, if you know what I mean. On top of this articulation, there is a small triangular bone called the patella. It is there to stabilize the knee, and it is very mobile. You can easily move it with your fingers. This bone gives the knee its pointy aspect. Also, the knee only allows us to bend and extend the leg, so in your drawings, you may want to make sure that your leg is not zigzagging bizarrely. Now, both the tibia and the fibula end in a sort of bulge on each side of the leg to form the ankle with the first part of the foot. The foot basically has the same structure as the hand, which is to say it can be divided into three parts: the tarsus, the metatarsus, and the phalanges. The tarsus connects to the ankle on top and to the metatarsus, which is the sole of the foot. The metatarsus then connects to the toes that are made of three phalanges each, except for the big toe that has two, just like the thumb. From the back, we can see the two rectangular surfaces of the femur that articulate with the concave surfaces of the tibia. To bend the knee, the surfaces just slide on each other. Okay, so now that we know how the leg works, let's see how two legs work together. It is pretty simple. First of all, as we said earlier, each leg is connected to the coxal bone forming the hip. Now, each coxal bone is connected to its symmetry at the front and to the sacrum at the back. At the tip of the sacrum, there is the coccyx. This bone is also known as the tailbone because it is the vestige of a tail humans lost through evolution. You can break it if you fall on your buttocks, and you'll be standing for a long time instead of sitting if that unfortunately happens. And so, the two coxal bones plus the sacrum plus the coccyx form what we call the pelvis. Well, these were some of the basics of the lower limbs anatomy, and if there's anything you'd like to ask, I would be very glad to answer as best as I can. Let me know if it helped. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I will see you very soon. Sweet kisses.